In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up on ElevenLabs in just a few simple steps. If you're new to the platform, this guide will walk you through the entire process from opening the website to completing the onboarding flow, so you can get started as quickly as possible. ElevenLabs is a powerful AI voice tool, and getting your account set up is the first step before you can explore all the features it has to offer. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to elevenlabs.io. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner of the screen. Click that button to begin the account creation process. On the sign up page, you'll see different ways to create your account. In this tutorial, I'm using sign up with Google because it's the fastest and easiest method. Go ahead and click the Google sign up option. Next, choose the Google account you want to use with ElevenLabs. If you're already signed in to Google, you may see a list of available accounts. Select the correct one, then review the permissions ElevenLabs is requesting. These permissions are needed so the platform can connect your account and complete the sign-in process. Once you're ready, grant the required permissions and continue. After that, ElevenLabs will log you into the dashboard and may show you a short onboarding questionnaire. This onboarding step is optional, but it helps personalize your experience based on how you plan to use the platform. You might be asked whether you're using ElevenLabs for content creation, personal use, business, or another purpose. Take a moment to select the option that best matches your needs. This can help ElevenLabs tailor recommendations and features to your account. Once you finish the questionnaire, your account setup is complete. At this point, you should be inside your ElevenLabs dashboard and ready to start exploring the tools. From here, you can begin experimenting with voice generation, text-to-speech, and all the other features the platform offers. And that's it. You've successfully signed up on ElevenLabs. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.